Good morning, everybody. How's everyone doing? It is a beautiful Wednesday, and the daily candles look freaking crazy with those down wicks right now. Good morning, chat. Good morning. Where's everyone watching from? Let me know. 5 minutes till the open. Yeah. I'm not in the best mood. New York, honestly, I knew that the chances were very slim. Of course, they had to elect the socialist. Oh well, gotta bank on the fact that he won't be able to get anything done, right? Because A, he doesn't know what government works. He's only 34 years old. B, the governor is not going to let him do the things he wants to do. But we'll see. Jamaica hurricane town. Yeah, you guys are crazy. I see you guys are in a crazy hurricane season. I saw all the videos. Stay safe out there. Morning, Charlotte. North Carolina, Wilmington, North Carolina, Boca Raton, Florida, India, Portland, Oregon. Good morning. You guys think I'm trolling? Tanya, now you have to move to Florida? Probably. Maybe. You never know. Might have to. 6 months out of the year. The thing is, once you, I don't know, family, and then I don't know, we'll see. It's up in the air. Like I said, I'm banking on the fact that, it's funny when you're banking on progressive Democrats to stop the socialist. Even they think it's too far. All right. I did my part. I tried. Tried to get people to vote against him. Did my part, but what can you do? And it was actually the biggest voter turnout since, I don't know, a long time ago. Since the 60s. How fun is that? It's not fun. What can you do? Anyway, I think most of you guys are bullish probably, right? 52% bullish. Let's end the poll. Oh, from Morocco. Hello. Bearish is 29%. 19% neutral. I'm also bullish because looking at that wick on the daily. Isn't that crazy? Someone said she has to be trolling us. Yeah, in the afternoon I ended up getting a short. Where am I at in this Tradeify Cup thing? I'm positive. I'm up only 1100, so let's see how that goes. I'm ranked 2000 out of whatever, how many people? 16,000. So I'm not going to be swinging for the fences now. In fact, I think that I can let other people, I'm obviously going to take trades. That's not nearly enough, right? But I'm saying that I'm going to be a little bit more selective. What am I? Let's see. Where are we at? 2,183. And yesterday, I think I was 2,400. Like, that's what I'm saying. Like, I just let people run themselves out. I'm ranked 54th in our team. You guys are doing better than I am. Let's see. Where's our leaderboard at? The few leaderboard. If you want to enter, it's in the description. I think you can still enter. You just need to have like a Tradeify account, and I think that you can just buy like their cheapest account, and then you're able to enter, or you can just enter for $35 if you want to. If you haven't entered, you can. If you don't have a team, you can still enter Tanya as your team. Also, hey you, daily reminder, drink water. Thanks. Thank you. There we go. We're gonna make a new vision board of the watches I want now. Hi, I'm from Philly, PA, fly high, hi. What's up, Frank Stevens III? From Philly. Not too far from me. What's up, neighbor? I've been to Philly a couple times. Did not enjoy my first time there. And then the other time I just went for a concert and then I went back. All right, people. Most of you guys are bullish. I mean, look at the daily. It's kind of wild, right? What's the... We moved already 300 points since London. Average true range of the last 5 days. I want to make sure it's 5. Yeah, 5 days on NASDAQ is around 400. And on ES, what is it? 75. Pretty like round numbers, kind of wild. Okay, and ES has moved how many points today? 60. By the way, if you want to like do what I do, measure things, you just press shift on your keyboard in TradingView, and then you can measure how many points things are. Do we have any good news today? Let's see here. Team Tanya. Let's go. Where are you at? Try easy, guys. Number 1. Your balance. You made 24K. Crazy. Trade with Ale, 22K. Dominic Pelger, 20K in profits. Patrick, 83, 64K total balance. So that's 14K in profits. XAV, 66. You got 11K in profits. Nice job. Nice job, people. I think I'm number 60 here, so let's see. I thought I was 60. All right. Do they show me? Here we are, 54. Okay. We're 13th here. We gotta move up the ladder. But honestly, if you're up money, like just like I said, be selective. I'm sure people over here, they're gonna, slowly drop off as they do as the competition goes longer. And always remember, you have up to 3 resets if you are down. I reset mine yesterday. Okay. Nah, just created a high day. I don't know, brother. Maybe. It's very, we definitely have buy side here. We filled the gap. The entire new week opening gap there. See on the 4 hour? This is the 4 hour. Okay. For us to get to up there, though, that's what I wanted to look at. I wanted to look at Forex Factory. We had 815 ADP, but I don't think that's like that crazy. I don't even see anything on the chart that was crazy for that. No. Okay. 10 a.m. Lovely. I love a good 10 a.m. news release. ISM Services PMI. I'm just letting this open right now. Let the goofy goobers play around with this. It's fine. I don't know. Goofy goobers from SpongeBob. I'm a goofy goober, yeah. We're all goofy goobers, yeah. Goofy, 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 goofy goober. All right, so what we up to? What we up to? First presented FEG was this and ES. Honestly, I don't care that much for it. I don't think we really took any sell side here. Let's go to the hourly. Oh, actually, we went to the hourly FEG here. Could be interesting. Did we do that on NASB? Yeah, we did. This is also a hourly OB. Okay. I like FEGs better than OBs, TBH. But if they're lined up, it's even better. All right, we'll see what's going on there. Maybe that's going to be the manipulation lower for the day, and then we can go higher. Need more juice, though, as they say. I'm probably going to wait until this 10 a.m. news. Like, yeah, we'll see if this holds up, this bullishness. Looks like ES is a lot weaker. What y'all thinking? All right. We have 18 minutes till 10 a.m. Anything interesting in the stock heat map? This is NASI. Well, Amazon's down 1%, Apple's down 1%, AMD, Netflix down 1%, Palantir's down 2%. I think Palantir's down like 8% the other day after earnings. See for S&P. Someone said they watched my podcast with Otto. Thanks. Glad you liked it. Wow, really mixed bag here. Okay. I'll be back. I just want to cough. All right. So, interesting. ES, again, tapped into its H1 FEG. See if NASI does the same. It stopped right before it. Yeah. We gotta see. Which one's weaker? They're around the same. Yes, maybe slightly weaker. See how this hourly looks like. Which one's closer to that buy side? That's the thing, is like, I don't know if we'll get all the way up to this buy side, but oh, you know what I see here? Pretty decent area to go for. H1 Fair Valley Gap, there's a high right before. This is some buy side. I think that would be more interesting. What is this? Bearish. Okay. Same thing here. The thing is, yeah, just with how much we've moved today, if I want to go all the way from here to here, it's going to be so much bigger than the average. It's 600 points. No. The average move on Nasdaq's been 400. This is about 400. So I'd just go for this. Like, yeah, I got to remind myself that I'm not carried away if I get into a long. To be honest, I'd want the news to just shoot us up, honestly, I think. Because we already reached down lower. I'll be watching if there's any SMTs at the lows. I don't see any right now. At the moment, really. Yes, did not make like a new low of the session. It'd be great if it did. Yeah, then I'd probably enter pre-news. That's a situation where I'd be fine with entering pre-news. Okay. I don't know why it keeps doing this to me. It's so annoying. You see, like, I'm missing one candle there. We're all goofy goobers, yeah. All right. That looks good. We'll find out soon enough. It's a pretty good push up there for an ES. Okay. Very nice, very nice. This is where I don't want to chase, really. Make sure I want to get the entry that I want to get. Which would be here, honestly. Why does it keep doing that to me? See it skipping a freaking candle there. Alright, I'll put my limit there. Everyone's without me. There's nothing I can do. Where is that buy limit? $5, $6, or $25. Or ES is 801. No, they're gonna take away the easy situation, aren't they? Oh, man. I should go to the buy side by 10, though. It's gonna suck for me. I have my limit full in. If it fills me, I'll be great. If it doesn't, then whatever, you know? You guys think I'll get filled? But most people are going to say no. Maybe it'll stop right before the 10 a.m. news, leave that there. 10 a.m. news comes back down, manipulates down into here, and then goes out. That would be the perfect scenario for me. But it doesn't always do what you want it to do. It's going to freaking break through the top of my screen up here. Ideally, we stop right here. Don't go there. ES got there. It just flew away from here. So there's there's no entry. I could have even taken even on like the 15 or the 32nd. So whatever. Gotta be careful, right? Like I said, this is basically the average range of the day, right, for ES. 75. But what is it? We have 10 a.m. news. It could be a little bit larger, but if it got to here, it would be 100 points. So it'd be how much more? Like 25% more. 33% more than usual. Do we have any earnings today or no? Like a major earnings today after the close? Let's see, let's drag this up here more. For ES, I don't see any more easy buy side. I'm gonna wait until after the news. I'm canceling this since it's gonna be the news like in 4 minutes. And ES hit its objective here. Like, I don't want it, somehow there be like this hourly SMT in that way. And then it drops lower. Since ES kind of hit my objective. Let's see. Don't want to go. I want to be like, have really good, how would you say, criteria. No, congrats if you just took the long from here and, you know, put a stop here. Took that risk, worked out for you. Or the inversion from here. Because it didn't offer any more retracement after that. Uh-oh. Most of chat was bullish, 52%. See here, I'm reloading. Screens. Yeah, 4 hour. Yeah, Nasdaq about to hit that buy side. It's also a previous 4 hour high, which is interesting. Yeah. The weekly looks kind of funny. I just took a look at the weekly. Yeah, so we hit my target, right? Oh no, we didn't for NASDAQ yet. Very interesting. See if it does at 10. Only thing I kind of think now that I could do is just trade a retracement short, but that's very dicey. We got 10 a.m. news. Damn, that was wild. Well, SMT at the high. ES did not make a new high there. Let's see if we could catch some sort of quick short, potentially. I don't know, we'll see. We need to close below here, though. I don't love that. If you put a stop there, it would have to be at like basically a round number 700, but I think I would try this, yeah. Let's see if it does. It would need to close below this. There it is. All right, I'm trying it. $5.99. Oh, what did that happen? Okay. Our flurry here on the 1 minute also inverts this now. I kind of like this target at 600. You know? It's a pretty round number. I don't know why one of them is like... whatever. For one of them, I'll put it here. See if this holds it down. If ES hits new high here, then, you know, I'm in trouble. Also don't really like that on the 32nd we're not really making FEGs, but gotta go with it. I would like it to invert this, like I said. Like, so far we broke a low there. We didn't really make it a fair value gap, but I want to see us start doing that. If we accumulate here, then it's going to be like a belay, you know? Don't like ES looking like stronger now. I'm in profit, but that could be short-lived. On MNQ, it's like 96-ish. And it's coming back again here. No bueno. Ooh, no more SMT there. It got bought up here. Alright. Don't like that. Maybe we gotta hit 700 first. Maybe first I have to be stopped out. Okay. All Gucci. So I'll just wait for a better situation. I think that was worth a try. I would try that again. See if we pop up through here. I can't get too convinced to go for all the way up here, but I mean, the 10 a.m. news could... Like, do I really think that today we're gonna have... Well, what was the range yesterday? Probably huge. 588. Are we gonna have another huge range today? 600. Right now we have... What is it? That would be 609. To here, it's 405. So I'm a little skeptical about going more long. I'm not joining longs here. Mm-mm. In fact, I'd probably look again, like I would kind of look to short again. Honestly, if this time for the short, I would have to see like this invert, this close below this. I wouldn't just go from this one, you know? Why does my ES look like that? It's so annoying. Okay. Okay. Did we close below this? Like I said, I'm not going to really put much into this. It could just bounce off this OP. I'm gonna put an alert if we break below here. Yeah, you have a 30-second bullish OB, FEG and OB right here. See what happens. How do I add my more indicators to here? Add a drawing tool. Oh yeah, let me put up my sound. There's no displacement here. It did invert this, just kind of like the last one. So, you know, kind of waiting on the 1 minute here at this point. ES looking strong. I have the urge to try this again. I do. Let's see if it confirms. I think it's holding it down. Yes, finally inverted here now. Why is there like nothing on the 30-second that's, you know, pushing down? It's not my favorite. Let's see. What's this gonna look like? Are we just gonna wick this? Or are we gonna displace past it? That would be ideal if we displace past it. Not even get down past it yet. I'm gonna take a sip of water while we consolidate here. And we swept it, but no displacement. No inversion either. So I'm not gonna enter the short. So the ES is just not even catching up yet. Maybe when ES catches up. Or maybe we're just gonna be that strong that there'll be an SMT at this low. Then I'd consider longs, perhaps, but so far, kind of just consolidating at that previous buy side, which is not what you want to see. You want to see like a quick rejection if you're gonna go for shorts. So nothing really that interesting here. You have to pay attention, like, and keep in mind, yeah, there's a bunch of bullish 5 minutes below, also this 5-minute inversion, etc. But just gotta go with the flow. So I don't alert if we cross down the trend line here on ES. That would be a good thing. If we get a new high on ES, it would be kind of impressive. Then maybe the move is to go long ES. You don't know. We'll see. So far, inversions holding them lower. It didn't invert on the 1 yet. So it's not terribly strong. It's just a... See what happens. Maybe this is just a consolidation before the next push up. I'd be willing to go long if we have a good push back up, you know. Just need to see. I would need to see push back up. Energetic. This is killing me. I forgot to wear my yellow glasses, says Castilla. Thank you. I'm forgetting that recently. Much better. I was wondering why. I was squinting. Okay. So I wake in the morning and I step outside. Why are we not getting clean movements? Because we're just we hit a target, now we're consolidating. You know, typically that just means we're probably gonna, I don't know. Well, yesterday was like the same. So I don't know. See. Finally. See how this closes though. Another wick and another SMT with ES. See how it closes. A wick. Isn't that lovely? Dude, what is it gonna do? Just slowly just drop lower here? Okay, no more SMT there, which is great. I'm in shorts again. The ideal would be if it taps this, then that would be my ideal entry. Dude, if I get stopped down immediately, then I'm just wrong on the shorts. I'm not going to try another short. But I'm going to laugh my ass off if I am. Oh my god. That was hilarious. Well, that was hilarious, I gotta say. All right, it just went straight into this little thing, which was my previous first target, and it popped right back up. So I gotta just abandon the short idea. It's too strong right now. So let's see what happens. Maybe I'll make money on the longs. ES is a stronger one. I'm gonna switch over to ES. Whatever we do, we just gotta remain calm. Did this update with my positions, by the way? I didn't even notice. Make sure my indicator is right. All right. It is, okay. In a position. All right, I'm in 63. Okay. Whew. Yeah, I mean, listen, I tried a short twice for a retracement, even though I'm overall bullish. If this hits, then we'll be back green on the day. Yeah, 3R. But I don't want to go too crazy on this either. Okay, let's see. This to here would just be a 1-to-1. This to here would be a whatever. Also, NASDAQ did dip into this area as well. Okay. All right. Did that go? Oh, okay. Because I switched to ES and it like messed me up on some copy trading. All right, that's fine. It's my OG. Oh, okay, that's what happened. That's fine. Okay, so honestly, right now, what am I down? I'm down like, what am I down on the day? 1,200. Now I'm of an open P&L of 1,350 on this account. So I'm down 900. Great. Now NASDAQ hit new high of day. Of course, NASDAQ then has to switch to be the stronger one. It's fine. Long. Let's see, from here to there. Fucking crazy stops. Okay, this is a 1 to 0.9. I'm just worried about that. I'm worried that it's just going to consolidate, to be honest. So if NASDAQ just hit new high, preferably we just spool out of here. See what else is going on here. I got a good fill on this one at least. The last two, trash. Well, I was just in drawdown immediately. This is I'm in profit immediately, so I got back on side. New high day was reached for E and NASDAQ, so I would hate it if ES comes back now, to be honest. And of course it does. I can't take more than 10 micros. Got some errors before to make sure to X out of. For risking 500, this is allowed. Yeah, I just put it says quantity of 1. Therefore, I can afford to take it. I really hate the fact that it's coming back down to my break even soon. It's like such annoying BS. Oh my god. I'm not gonna hold this for long either. Comes to my break even, I'm probably gonna exit this shit. Cause I could see it like literally tricking, like fucking up the shorts twice and then going lower finally. Like it did yesterday, I think. I don't know. Bring my stop up because there's no point in holding for it if it retraces like all the way down again. Gotta really just go up from here. Oh my god. Why does it feel like why did I get that freaking notification? I have my TradingView open also on my laptop, but I haven't been on it in a while. Oh, I swear to God, I get mad technical difficulties every time that I'm like in a trade where it's like, okay, this is like the do or die moment. Pisses me off. Okay. Gotta stay chill. Got my glasses back on. Breaks new high of day, then, you know, stop probably break even. Should probably be break even already. considering NASDAQ hit new high. Put my stop up to this low. Point, honestly. I don't know. If it's gonna retrace again, it's gonna be a trashy day I wouldn't want to be part of anyway, so this low should stay intact, I think. See this like extension level, where does it go to from here? This like freaking fake out that faked me out. -2 goes up to here. Let's see, where is 0.5 already happened. This is not looking the cleanest. I hate it. Jeez Louise, bro. What time is it? 10:36. It really does feel like it's now or never. Like, I'm gonna have a cow. So stops at break even now. Either now or never, right? So I don't want to be caught if it just decides to splat down on me. It needs to spool up to the upside. And NASDAQ already hit that new high. If we just stall here, then not. Yeah, we bounced on the OB, whatever. It's not having best push up, but it's staircasing. Maybe all of a sudden it will. Gotta wait for that. Be sick if it actually gets there, but yeah. Unlikely, like I said, it's just like we moved a lot today. So that's why I was trying to short. We moved already a lot to the upside in general, so I was just trying to play a range. It effed me over there. I should have just went short there and then freaking stop break even and got stopped at break even there instead of waiting for more and more of that. Whatever. It is what it is. We'll see. It doesn't look good though for this. Someone tell it to wake up. The fuck? Sure, my OCOs are good. Copy traded so much that. Okay, that's fine. Where am I? I'm down $900. Come on. Oh my god. What's NASDAQ doing even? Nothing. Watch it drop down lower again, and that's like the real move lower, kind of like yesterday. I don't know. Dude. I don't know if I'd be able to flip again. Truly. Three-minute looks decent. Popped off this 3-minute. Are we finally gonna get it? Let's see it. Oh my god. Why is this like price action recently like this? So annoying. This is the 1-minute chart. It doesn't even look. It looks like it's a 30-second chart by how tiny the candles are. All right, here we are. New hive day. Lovely, lovely. So up 1R. See how this shit closes. Of course. Got partial because it's a bum. Took half off there. First target gets hit, and then like what? Like then it always comes back. So I'm just gonna protect that. Might as well lock in some money, even if it's not that much. Just what I've been seeing here. I'll re-enter more if it looks better structurally, but it doesn't. Like that's some foo-foo. Seems like it's just tired. What time is it? It's leading up to 11. Like you would think that it's gonna start spooling. Let me put my OCO order in. I'm gonna trail it, like just in case. That'd be a good. Even if it's 3 micros, that would still help a lot. It didn't invert anything yet, so it's not like the end of the world, but it is definitely just wicking back and forth like a bum. I can't. Okay. This 15-minute only has 41 seconds left. See if it closes above or not. Freaking tired of this. Yeah. Doesn't seem like there's much. Oh, ba, ba, ba. I'm just gonna have a heart attack. No, I'm not. I'm just like tired of the BS. Mm-hmm. 10:25. I've been in this and freaking for 23 minutes. 23 minutes. Now it's like new high. Yes, not yet. Wouldn't you love to see it? Oh my god. Why are we like this? $10.50 macro. Now as I close below this, I'm probably gonna just take this off. I don't like the SMT. One, two, three, four, 5 digs up to here, to this hourly area. Yeah, I'm closing this for basically break even. Maybe I should go to NASDAQ. See if it rejects from here. I'll try a short if it rejects from there. What time is it? 10:50. No rejection from there yet. I'll wait until 11. Maybe. We'll see. See what it does. Does it break below here? I feel like this is like scalpable to here. To here. Yeah. What a rough consolidation, really. Let's see it. It's gotta go past this quickly. Like a lot. Like this is like probably the clearest. I don't know why I had this low though, but yeah, this inverted this, broke this low. This rejected. Gotta fall. Where's the last 15-minute candle low? Down there. Yeah, I think that's where it's heading towards, so. Okay. I freaking hate Wix so much. Why are they like this? What time is it? It's 10:56. Freaking crazy market right now. I think I didn't put my, I don't know, I didn't put my stop lower yet. Didn't even hit my first, dude. My first SSL is here. We hit first SSL, you know, kind of different. Did ES hit it? I'm gonna like have a stroke today if we did. Yeah, ES did, of course. Of course. NVIDIA's looking really strong. And something happened? No, I'm cutting this. I don't know. I got an alert for NVIDIA crossing up a level. I lost like $100 on that. Whatever. I'm not doing that. Let me see. Let's see. Really, these SMTs happen so fast. Damn, son. Like, look, ES hit that. I can't stand for this for long. I don't care if I lost $100. I said I'd look for it for a scalp. Let's see here. I have like, wow, major volumes coming into NVIDIA. Okay. God, I cut that. Let's see if there's some news. Let's see. No, it's just a technical level I had marked out. I don't see anything coming out right now about news. Let's see. No. All right. That's the thing, dude. If we're gonna go for this, we should have had already strong closes above on the 15. And so I got the rest of my longs. I tried a little cute short, whatever. Got out of that quick. Because ES did hit this, which is crazy, right? Do I get back into longs? Oh my god. It feels like Scalp City today. Few minutes not doing anyone any favors. I feel like I just have to scalp. Oh, and I hate when I say that because then it's like, oh, I want to just go for. I'd rather have a better probability. I'm not like pushing myself to do that. I already tried a couple of times, right? No positions right now. Very confusing. I mean, we've been trading in this consolidation. I'm kind of like, not gonna say it, like, yeah, I'm annoyed that I never retraced here. That was the easiest trade of the day. Let's see. It's 11. London close happened. It's kind of a push down, big push down candle. Nvidia is up 2%. I had like an alert set to get like a high room yesterday. I was crossing over it, so I'm glad I got out of those shorts. I'm not willing to get into short right now. I don't know, dude. We're just barcoding. Yesterday, we kept going lower. How did that look like? It was like a 3-minute drop, you know? More obvious than this. Happened here. Okay. Pretty sure I tried to short one time or too early here. And then the real move there happened. So yeah, I'm not gonna go try to scalp a short. We have some buy side there. It could just kind of take its time here consolidating. Let's see. Yesterday's high, all the way up there. I don't know. It's also a flat top, which is interesting. What happened at midnight here? I mean 6 p.m. Yeah. On the last hourly, we closed above this. Just closed this candle. Maybe it's just consolidating within this. Right now it's lunch hour. No, it's not lunch hour. Yeah, that's 12 to 1. Bro, can't right now. Anything else coming up today? President Trump is speaking at 1 p.m. Okay, well. Rather wait till then. Dude, this guy's gonna fly the market up. What do you think? What do y'all think? Castillo, send me what people think. President Trump is speaking. Yeah, then I don't want to freaking Drive myself crazy here. Scalping a range before that. Hmm. This has just not been doing anything here. Mm-hmm. Oh my god. Yeah. Oh man, that's so annoying. Hmm. I think earlier when I tried a short here, I should have just taken that inversion here and when it was rejecting so long from this 30-second in this area and it closed below this here. Create a breaker block and it was then if I had shorted there, it dropped like that, I would have been safer of a stop at this higher break even. It would have been a little bit better managed. But that's fine. Then what? I flipped long and we did nothing, right? I flipped long here. And then NASDAQ hit new high of day and ES did here. And then we stalled, and I got rid of most of it, which I'm happy about. I tried a short here, we did. And then had a little green candle here. I got rid of that really quickly, actually. Only took like a tiniest paper cuts there. And then what? We've done nothing. We've done nothing. So we have Trump speaking at 1. I'll be around for that. I think I'll stream that, actually. I think that could be fun. Like, now it's just whatever, like, it just feels like people are rebalancing, right? What do people think, Fernando? What'd you send me? Yeah, it's lunch hour consolidation, says disciplined trader. It's not lunch hour yet. When do you eat lunch? When do you eat lunch? I don't know. You eat lunch at 11 a.m.? Lunch hour is from 12 to 1. Now as I tap this sell side into this FEG, I don't think it crossed below it. I think it made an equal low. Oh no, it did tap below it 1 tick. People that try to short this get screwed too. Like, just taps, like that crazy like reversal happens in 30 seconds. I think it's just let's see. Yeah, you don't even have 5 seconds to take a profit there. It's crazy. Jumps up 6 points. No displacements on the way down. Just that 30-second here. Inverted that already. 30-second here. Yeah, but it doesn't really follow 30-second LR, right? But just taking this, kind of risky. Oh, all these equal highs up here. Best chance is probably that it takes out some sell side first before Trump's speaking, and then Trump sends us up higher. These equal highs. Should I short this? Very tempting. Yeah, I'll try that short. If it inverts it, then whatever. If it inverts this, then I'll probably cut it soon. I might stop above that, 6705 or something. Where is the breaker? This, not. That's good. Like I said, I'm not gonna, like, I'm just trying to scalp. I'm not trying to be here for too long. If this inverts this, then I'm gonna get out. Only in this in case it's a low resistance move lower. Let me go on the 30-second. See? Gotta reject here. I'm gonna reject it. For now. You don't know. This next candle could close above it. Let's see. Well, we know I'm not a scalper then. We just know that. Oh my god, bro. Hilarious. Alright, let's see. This closes above, I'm gonna get out. Probably will. I don't want to get out. I'm gonna close this shit. Alright, well, I'm flattening everything. Nope. I keep just getting effed over on trying that. Whatever. Gotta just risk some small position. Negative 350. Honestly, fuck today. I can't. Alright, I'm writing this, my new approach here. I'm writing down, no more scalping for me. And then I'm writing, not even just to see. Not even small size. Only best setups. I can't be cute. It's actually remarkable. I feel like, yeah, I keep getting, it's my fault. I was like, oh, maybe that will hold and then we'll go to the sell side before Trump's speaking. But now we're consolidating before his speaking. And let's see. Only short inversion after 4 hour or 1H sweep. And then I'm gonna write like do not wait. Do not wait for more confirmation for that, because oftentimes when you're shorting, like it just runs away with, it'll like, that will be the second move will be that sweep where you should put stop break even from there, or it will just fall down without you. Alright, I'm glad I cut that shit. I was like, fuck. What a hilarious freaking turn of events there. I feel like seriously, sometimes it feels like, I don't know. I'm not gonna say anything. They're watching. But no, whatever. I tried that to see if that was, and like that's the thing. I tried like a little bit extra this week, trying to take some more extra trades here and there, and clearly that's not working out for me. Clearly, I should not be doing that. Dropped into a liquidity pool with, yeah, that was literally just classic, like, good first target, which I tried to go for here, and it just whacked me, right? And I cut it because NVIDIA was looking really strong. I don't know why I tried to short again. It's fine. Really happy I cut that immediately. Look, I wonder how many people took this inversion to the upside. I cut it as it invalidated and created that inversion. Here I took the previous hourly high. What the hell? Seriously, was there something? That was literally hilarious how we just had 4 up close candles like that. It's like one thing to just... Oh, it's someone speaking, of course. Fed's Miron. I think it's still reasonable to continue rate cuts, he said. Since when, dude? You're not even on this. You're not even on the calendar. This is so pissing me off. It's literally because this guy started talking literally 1 minute ago, 2-3 minutes ago. Love it. Big Trump speech at 1 p.m. Eastern will be about the economy. Wow. Whatever. That's gonna happen sometimes. Now you got a previous hourly high swept. But where would the inversion be? It's like there's so many now stacked all on top of each other. There's no point. Damn, what am I up to now? I'm like down, back to break even on this account. No, I'm down 300. Okay. That's lovely. I'm sure like 3 or 4 of those were from those scalps. Like at least probably $800 from that. Okay, that's fine. So the Trump speech at 1 p.m. today could drive us up higher to there. To here. Yeah, I'm going to take an hour-and-a-half break and then I'll come back and trade that. I'm not worried. Gotta make sure my next trade is actually reasonable. Ladies and gentlemen, we got him. Whatever I got, cut it there. I literally cut it here, which is good. It literally flew another 50 points after I cut that. 60 points. Alright. Yeah, I'm definitely going to trade the afternoon session when Trump's speaking, but as of right now, I'm going to go take a walk because today was just awful for me. I mean, obviously, I tried to short twice, or no, like 3 times when I was, this is the worst part, like when you feel like you have to trade, like, oh, they took my first target, my easy target here without retracing. I'm like, okay, I guess I'll try to short to here for retracement because I don't think we're going to go much higher. But that doesn't mean that's going to be a clean delivery like that. We hung around up here, just chopped around. So, this is my second target. I think that maybe Trump can push it up there. But there's nothing to do right now for me, clearly. Just a good journaling session and come back at 1. I mean, I can easily shake that off, though. I mean, those were just paper cuts, like negative 200, negative 3, and negative 100, but it adds up. All right. Stay safe, everyone. Yeah, not my day today, because clearly I tried to short when it was just consolidating. We didn't really go up too much, but just consolidating. I'm very interested in Trump's speech at 1. It'll be about the economy. I think it could be volatile. So during that time, I'll be looking for this good setup. Probably for long. Yeah, for long. I mean, why would he dump every time he speaks? Like, I'll see for that upside target. If we dump, then whatever. But I'm going to look for that. All right, stay safe. And I'll see you later.